Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata. This video is on main engine performance reading. So while we are taking main engine performance, we note down a lot of parameters करके. तो let us without thinking too much. So भैया क्या क्या parameters है? Barometric pressure, engine speed, ship draft, mean indicated pressure, compression pressure, maximum combustion pressure, fuel pump index, exhaust gas pressures, temperature, scavenger pressure, temperature, turbocharger speed, exhaust gas back pressure, air temperature before turbocharger filters, delta P air cooler, air and cooling water temperatures before and after scavenger cooler. So let's see a sheet. So this is one of the sheets that I have got from one of the ships जहाँ पर all these parameters are fit, and then we'll see. So main engine type is 6X70 MCC, number is this XYZ, date and time of recorded is say 15 September 2018, time is 9:30 hours. Wind and sea condition we take from bridge. They tell us it is calm and moderate. Say it is not, it is heavy, we do not take performance. That means weather is bad. Engine state is transient. Engine running hours we need to know. Sea water temperature they tell us. Outside air temperature they tell us from bridge. Sea water temperature even we can know from engine room itself. Engine room air temperature we know from where? From the thermometer fitted on turbocharger air filter, right? Are your promotions slow? Not getting the respect that you deserve on board ship? If you are a marine engineer who is looking for faster promotions and earning respect on ship, then don't worry, Merchant Navy Decoded has your back. Introducing excellence packages for every rank now. You want to learn about purifiers, compressors, electronics, automation, MEGI engines, RT Flex, ME engines. Don't worry, we are there. Learn anytime, online, offline, whether you are on land or on board ship. Engineers who invest on upgrading themselves, they lead. What are you waiting for? Go to the description box and you will find different ranks, different excellence packages. Start investing now. Jai Mata. We barometric pressure engine room. This is what we have fitted where near the we have got one barometer. We have placed it near the turbocharger blower side where the exact lot of air from the duct is coming and down below we keep it on the floor. That barometer. To be very honest, I've never done it, but that is where this barometric pressure comes into play. What is ship speed? 15.44 knot. This is a log speed. Forward draft, aft draft, mid draft. Why this is important? This is important to compare. If the ship is say loaded 12.3, but it is loaded, then for developing set that say that 85 RPM which we need over here, maybe a less amount of fuel will be required, less power will be required. So we have to compare it that way. So out here if we know that the draft is 15.3 and say that means the ship is maximum loaded, so we will compare with the previous performances where the draft is this, right? Then only we can compare, na? Make sense? That is why we compare loaded with loaded, ballast with ballast, but loaded also how much loaded. Sometimes ships are going at 50% loaded also, so then the comparison ka logic nahi banta hai. So this is also very important. Make sense? Just adding one more thing over, sometimes even they ask us how much the displacement of the ship, तो वो पूरी चीजें भी we have to add over here. So that is how we get an idea also. So this is one thing, and yes, another thing is to get the idea of the trim as well. But most important thing is how much is the ship loaded. Out here the parameter of the ship displacement is not given over here, but yes, we need to know that as well. So voyage detail recorded by this, taken at loaded condition at, so this is 85.2 RPM is the average RPM that we have calculated from the reading. What reading? Say taken at 9:30 and then 10:30, then 10:30 counter minus 9:30 counter, and then we get the average RPM, right? Similarly, this is engine power estimated by torsion meter. So we know that there's a torsion meter sometimes fitted on board ship in engine control room. How much is it saying? Engine speed we have calculated, we put it over here. Effective engine power, this we calculate. This is BHP, brake horsepower, right? Effective engine power is brake horsepower. Fuel index, cylinder 1 is 96, cylinder 2 is 98, 94, 95, 94, 96. Average is 95.5. So how much is difference? 0.5 over here, 2.5 over here, 1.5 over here. So we are getting an idea कि भैया किसका कितना ज़्यादा है. Similarly, VIT index is also there and average is also over here. Similarly, now out here, I just remember that a few videos back I told you that the average fuel pump index should be not more, difference should not be more than plus minus 1. Out here I can see it is more, but I did not do anything. Generally I do not touch rack. But एक idea लग जाना चाहिए कि यार how it is working. Similarly, VIT pressure control, that 3.7 bar pressure near the governor, we know that. Then this is P max offset setting governor parameter. The time we'll be making a package on the governor part, electronic governor. This is where I'm going to discuss this. So this is specifically to one particular unit, say one particular unit, or sometimes when the fuel is bad, a lot of things are done on the governor. That is when we are going to discuss this. So anyways, firing pressure maximum, P max is 133.6, 136.9, 138.9, 140.3, 134.8, 139.1. So average this is this. So this minus this is this minus this is this minus this is this. So they have given the exact deviations as well. Similarly for compression pressure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, average is this, and copied guys. Similarly mean indicated pressure, now difference is how much? This is slightly up above 0.59 over here. Nothing to do unless it is too much more, but you need to know. Suppose somebody asks you, you can say, bhaiya, it should have been less than 0.5 for proper load balance, right? So this is something that could have been done. Chalo bhai, Jai Mata Di, this is this. Then comes mean indicated power. So mean indicated power is tick, 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 P mean into L into A into N, added this much. So mean effective pressure is 16.56, copied, and it comes to 87% of MCR. Copied guys. P comp max minus P comp is 23.9. This is, I guess, from where is this 23.9 coming? Okay, so P max minus P comp has been calculated automatically over here. Similarly, P comp by P scavenge, where is the scavenge pressure? It has been fit earlier. Abhi aage aayega. So divided. I am going to talk about these two parameters later. So all those things which are in yellow have been filled by us. This has white has already been calculated by them itself. So ye bhi, the moment you put this thing, they automatically calculate how much is the P mean. Mean indicated pressure. It is P mean into L into A into N. So the moment you have to put, we have put this average RPM over here. So they got N by 60 out here. L they already know because of the engine that we have put. This is this engine. So they know how much is the L, how much is the A. Mean indicated pressure they automatically calculated. Bhaiya, they do this. The drawing out here, they do not need this power card. So they have calculated themselves. This is the PMI monitor I am talking about. Copied, they calculate themselves and they put it tick 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 over here. Copied, no planimeter. They have calculated this is the mean indicated, this is the power indicated, and they have also got the mean effective pressure as well over here. Copied. Chalo aage badh. That is brake horsepower. So this everything has been calculated by the planimeter from the power measuring indicator itself, PMI monitor. So then other parameters are over here. Pressure drop across air cooler for scavenger. Air cooler ke across pressure drop is how much in water, millimeter of water column. Scavenger pressure, air temperature, compressor in, compressor out. Scavenger temperature, compressor out aa gaya. Scavenger temperature, what do you mean turbocharge in? Turbocharger 1, turbocharger 2, that means this engine has got 2 turbochargers. Similarly, scavenger temperature receiver, cooling water temperature, air cooler inlet, air cooler outlet, 2 air coolers also there. Then exhaust gas can which type of fuel? HFO is there. Again, how much is exhaust gas pressure turbocharger outlet? Maybe out here there was no manometer fitted. Exhaust gas pressure manifold, the pressure you could see. See, scavenge pressure is 2.33 bar. This has to be less than, so it is 2.229 bar. Similarly, exhaust gas temperature cylinder outlet. So 388, 394, 385, all this fitted. Average automatic calculated, and difference between average and that particular has also been calculated over here. This is this minus this. This is this minus this. Copied. Similarly, exhaust gas temperature, turbocharger inlet. This is this. Outlet is this. Turbocharger 2 inlet is this. Outlet is this. Similarly, turbocharger speed is given over here. Turbocharger efficiency may be the power monitor indicator that they have got, power measuring indicator they have got. It does not have that formula that we have discussed in turbocharger efficiency. Otherwise, it would have calculated that as well and put over here. Copied. If you are smart, after this package, you will calculate it yourself. So absolute consumption. So from the flow meter, you calculate from the flow meter how much was the net consumption. You put it over here. You know how much is specific fuel consumption. It is calculated itself. The formula that we made, we calculated, it calculates it itself. What you have to fit is how much is the viscosity at 50 degree centigrade, sulfur content kitna hai, lower calorific value of the fuel you using. This you have to, density of the fuel at 15 degree centigrade, that you put. Fuel oil system, viscosity engine, temperature at engine, temperature at flow meter, density at flow meter is calculated by him itself. So all those calculations that I have taught you in this package, this power measuring instrument is doing it itself. This has been done by itself, and it has been done by him, the measuring instrument itself, right? Similarly for cylinder oil, I just have to put the absolute consumption. They calculate SCOC, how much is the BN, how much is the density at 50 degree centigrade, then automatically say engine room temperature 40 degree centigrade. So how much will be the density at 40 degree centigrade, alpha lubricator setting how much is the minimum feed rate setting, everything. So these things are put by us. Copied? So out here through this reading we know that how much should be the specific cylinder consumption and how much is it coming over here. So alpha lubricator पे some other package will come where we'll be discussing in detail. अभी सिर्फ इतना समझो. Similarly, different cooling water temperature for per unit. Similarly, lube oil temperature, water pressure for turbocharger, air cooler and turbocharger over here. Similarly, lube oil temperatures for various engine segments out here. So all these things are put over here, guys. Having said that, each and every parameter is important. A lot of people make a lot of mistakes when putting this. Say, as you can see over here, lube oil temperature turbocharger inlet is showing at 82 and outlet is showing at 85. Similarly for turbocharger 2, 55, 54. This is wrong. Lube oil temperature turbocharger inlet and lube oil temperature turbocharger should have been, this 82 might have been over here. So 54, 85, 55, 82, something like that. So this is wrong. So you have to be very, very careful with what you are putting, where you are putting. Nahi to dikkat hogi. And that is why the calculation that I have told you are very important, so that you can make out, you do not give any bullshit reading to the company and then company will think yaar inko kuch nahi aata hai. So that is very important. Your report should be so good that they should say this guy knows his job very well, yaar. And that is the idea of this package. I hope it makes sense. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.